Hello everyone, this is Professor Vincent Torre Bongolan, and in this video, I will be going to discuss the correlation analysis. How powerful a correlation is. Alright, so when you conduct a correlation analysis, you need only to calculate two variables at a time, right? So you are going to correlate only two variables at a time, and you cannot calculate the correlation at one single procedure. Okay, so if you have four variables to correlate like this one, so I have KPI 1, 2, 3, and 4. Of course, you cannot calculate the correlation of 1 to 2, to 1 to 3, 1 to 4, and then 2 to 3, 2 to 4, and then 3 to 4, and so on and so forth. So it's very time consuming. So this is a dynamic calculation of correlation. So as you can see, if I wanted to correlate KPI 1 versus KPI, let's say 4, check the scatter plot first. Okay, and then as I click this, so the value in the correlation coefficient has changed, and the agent 3 also move. Okay, so if I'm going to select KPI 3, so the scatter plot also change. So if I'm going to correlate KPI 1 versus KPI 2, it become negative, and this person or agent number 3 also change. Alright, so if I'm going to select the name of the person, let's say agent 8, so the score is there. And then I'm gonna select agent 918. So the name of the agent number 18 is here. Alright,